Hello guys, welcome to JSTV. Today we are going to discuss about the latest job openings from the Indian Oil Corporation. So for that you can go through the link mentioned below. You will reach through this website. So in that we have two links here. One link is the link for the PDF which I am going to share with you. So the second link is mentioned here is to apply for the job, where you will have the application. You can see the first link here. This is the first link to be shared. This is the second link where you can apply for the job. So let's go to the PDF now. So this is the Indian Oil Corporation. Indian Oil Corporation is going to take this online applications. So these are the branches which are mentioned here: chemical engineering, civil engineering and electrical, as well as electronics is also mentioned. So how can you apply? Only the Indian nationals can apply to this opportunity, and along with this you have gate score is very much necessary. Age relaxation is there, so age limit is 26, and along with it we have relaxation of 3 years, 5 years, 3 years for OBC, 5 years for SC/ST and others. You can go through it. So we have the next is the educational qualification. So educational qualification: chemical engineering, civil engineering and electrical engineering, as well as the mechanical engineering. In electrical we have also telecommunication branch. So we have the minimum marks qualification aggregate for general category 65%, and for SC/ST 65% for the general, and for SC/ST it is 55%. Minimum marks also given here. Minimum qualifying exam will be GATE is a main qualifying exam, so the candidates will be selected through GATE. Even the MEM Tech students who are pursuing the post graduation or who have done the post graduation can also apply. So this is the relaxation. You can go through this. Reservation also is there. Short listing procedure is through GATE only. So if you have a very good score, guys, you can apply. GATE score is mandatory here. Selection process also is given. You can go through this selection process PDF. So nature of job will be in the refineries division, marketing division, pipelines division, as well as the business development. So we have the service bond. You can go through this. Along with this you have how to apply, steps are given, and Aadhaar card is mandatory for that. You can submit it along with your scanned copy of signature. So this is the documents procedure is given in this PDF also. So how to apply, steps are given here. It is through online. The last date to apply is 6th May 2020. There is no application fee for this. So if you have any doubts, you can go through the mail your queries to the mail here, recruit2020indianoil.in. This is the video, guys. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe, like and share. Thank you.